Why am I so passionate about projecting my phone to my TV? Actually, I was at the end of 2022. I am not optimistic about this market at all, because I think it's just a consumer thing. There is nothing to do, and Apple's original Lightning to AV converter, and then successfully projected to the TV. You see, that's it. What's so fun about that? Until the end of 2022. There is a manufacturer that specializes in screen projectors, very large manufacturers. You are currently on Taobao or in Taiwan, or many brands in Taiwan. It has a market share of more than 50% or 60%. They all look for that one to get the goods. He asked me, say about some market experience related to this video capture card. Then I also looked at some of their company's products. Then their company specializes in doing it. It is to project the mobile phone onto this TV. I think this is consumer performance and nothing to do. That's what I thought at the time. That was until I saw that their company's products were amazing. It is when it can project your phone to the TV. It can also be rotated 90 degrees. It's like this. The phone is all projected to the TV. I just need to turn the TV 90 degrees. I was very interested in this product at that time. Because of this product, it is a niche market application. You wouldn't use it in a consumer living room. Your living room won't turn the TV 90 degrees. It must be an engineering work or do some applications in live video. For example, you are working in a live broadcast room. 2 big screens to watch your live broadcast. I also saw the message during the live broadcast. Isn't it very convenient? At that time, he sold me circuit boards like this. You can rotate like this, like this. At that time, I booked a lot of tables with him. I ordered about 300 cars. I forgot how many units. I just want to say forget it. Anyway, these 300 circuit boards. I took the shell of my bag to the market to sell. Anyway, if you lose, forget it. It doesn't cost much. I started marketing this product after 2023. I think it's selling well. When I sold out, I just turned back to order from that manufacturer. He told me, they have discontinued ICs, so you can't make this thing yourself. I want to develop it. I went with my friends by myself. Let's study how to do this together. My friend, he also knows in mainland China. Some IC manufacturers in mainland China. Then you know what? This kind of application for consumer electronics. If you don't place a single 10K, it won't pay attention to you. But my friend still has a relations. So we will do 2K, 3K at that time. He took our order. Taking orders is not that simple because there is still some firmware design modification. It also has to meet my requirements, like this. Anyway, I placed a lot of orders. It looks like 2K and 3K. I made the current product. But what about this product for now? It's still a bit flawed. You see, this is iPhone SE2. It was 16:9. It can really be full of frames. But if I pick up a 20:9 iPhone today, or what would happen to this Android at 20:9? You pay attention to it. There are 2 little black edges on the left and right. There is no way around this. Why? Because our average screen is 16:9. He is 20:9. Then it is normal to maintain its proportions, and it should be full screen. Of course, you have to make up the black borders left and right. Of course, you can handle it too. It's just to force it to support the font. It seems to be crushed. The font will become fatter, or I want him to go full screen. But I was bound to be cut down. This up and down perspective is sacrificed. You see, the time above has been cut off. His side was also cut off. Then I also researched this aspect of the product later. It's for the more nitpicky guests. He may need such an application, but I think it's still a little less. That is to say, if I can achieve this product, then I'm not perfect. Okay, let's go back to the purpose of our video today. I want to share it with you today. My new product for 2026. This is the one. The ultimate version of the full screen projector for mobile phones. It can solve the problem just mentioned. And it also has a USB output UVC that can be connected to your computer. It can go up to 4K. Then in addition to the signal from the mobile phone, it can also be an external HDMI video coming in. You can also make such a switch. This machine, it is very clever. I don't dare to say AI, but it is very wise. It doesn't matter if you are 20:9 or 16:9 or 18:9 or 22:9. A wide variety of different proportions of this kind of phone. It also has automatic modes. Help you correct this black edge. We just need to press it. You can achieve your needs. This is a hot engineering sample. I will put the shell on in the future. About so many interfaces. Wait for me to demo where. Let me introduce it to you again. First of all, The power supply is on the far right. 5 volts of electricity to power him. The second to last, this is the HDMI output. Connect to your TV screen. It will appear in this blue screen. You see this blue screen? It's exactly the same as my previous version. Then, let's string my phone again. Because I don't have a 20:9 iPhone, I used a 20:9 Android to demonstration. Then connect to the far left of this board. This is the USB input of the mobile phone. After the connection, it will be projected here. The projection is exactly the same as it was so far. You see, there are 2 buttons on my side. This button is a physical rotation. Real resolution is best. It's the same as the demo just now. I'll show you the switch now. Like this. Switch. In this way, there will still be a little bit of black borders on the left and right sides of this picture. I'm going to remove this black edge on the left back now. There are 2 buttons here. I just cut this side. This is a physical switch. Cut to the maximum. Then here is the so-called digital image processing method. Use image processing to support it. Look, I'll press it once now. Press once, press again. You see if he is full screen. It belongs to the type of fattening. Are there any fonts that have become fat? Press again. This is a cut up and down. Then, he maintains the same proportions as the font. I will switch entirely automatically. Okay, and then there's the upside down mode. This is what it determines automatically. Oh, this is the original pattern. Okay, again. Okay, that's it. What about after that? Then we can turn on this camera. Android phone. It becomes a beautiful skin camera or an iPhone. Think of it as a skin beautifying camera. I can use it this way. A problem occurred when used before. This one has black edges on the left and right. What should I do? You see, I'm going to string another video director now. Can this be broadcast live? You have black borders on the left and right. Then I can use this switch today. It became the pattern I wanted. This way I can take my Android phone. Use it as a skin beautification camera. Then connect to my director's desk. It doesn't have the problem of black borders on the left and right. This is how it is. This is my original idea. It's just to connect to the purpose of this broadcaster. Use your Android phone or iPhone phone as a wireless skin camera. If only such an application. That's too sorry for my new product. You can see my new product. I also need an additional USB output. This USB output, I can connect directly to my computer OBS Studio. That is, what picture appears on TV. I send it to my computer OBS. Connect to the converter. Open OBS and you will have an image. At this time, you turn it to 90 degrees in OBS. It can be used for live broadcasting. Of course, if you just want to use OBS. There is really no need to use hardware digital amplification corrections to convert, decrop, because OBS's own multimedia dashboard is strong. Now the point is how you get the HDMI output to have no black edges. This is very toss-up. Our main purpose is to do these things. And then there happened to be another USB UVC output. Connect to the computer OBS. The logic is like this. Then we only connect to mobile phone video sources. You see, I'll switch back now. We also have HDMI all the way here. HDMI along the way. It is the input to HDMI. That is, if you plug in HDMI today. Then the output of the USB. That's what a standard HDMI capture card does. We now have more HDMI capture cards. This is the treatment of the vertical screen. I don't want to use the mobile phone path now. I now use this HDMI in. I now connect a multimedia play box. I unplug my phone first. Then put the multimedia playback box on HDMI and connect it to this place. Let's cut it gently at this time. Cut to this picture to maintain the correct proportions. Because you cut it like this and switch its position. Switch to the normal screen. Okay, this is a normal picture. Let's press this button again. We press for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open it. and take a look. It jumps to the screen of the DVD. Okay, my DVD screen. I will broadcast some vertical screen pictures for everyone to see. This is the original. Okay, it will look like this. Then I'll cut it like that. Cut it again. This is the bad type. Once again, this is the correct way to maintain the proportions of the upper and lower clipping shapes. It was like this. Switch to that type of down pitch. Okay, that's when recovery becomes like this. It's okay, let's press it again. It returned to normal. TSK, he just cut it like this. Then I'm broadcasting 3 to 4. This is the screen of the iPad. It will look like this, like this, like this. This is the original picture. Then I switched. Slim down, you see, because he was 3 to 4. So pull up and press the ratio again. But the left and right sides will be cut off. Like this. You see, I just pressed this button from start to finish. It will go with the ratio of different file formats. Then make a correction yourself. Of course, what is on your TV? Something is also appearing in your OBS. Let me show you. OBS also appears something. The same goes for the 20 to 9 just now. We return to normal. Anyway, it feels abnormal. Just keep pressing and pressing. It will definitely be pressed to normal. It's what appears on your TV. OBS is what comes up. Let's summarize. This piece is our company in 2026. The latest new product. He put the original mobile phone. Just all the projectors and video capture cards. Combine it all. In addition, we have also added multimedia processing. You now see that there are black borders. Then I will remove it using image processing. You see, that's it. Then our video source. Except for the mobile phone path. This is USB. It's a phone. Whether it's an iPhone or Android, it can. There is also HDMI all the way. Like this Sony DVD that I connected to earlier. It can also be connected. I just need to use my hand to press this side. Press hard for 5 seconds. It will switch to the DVD. Okay, that's the same. It's okay. Rotate. Let's press this short press to switch to the mode you want. I added the red side myself. I will only show you how it is cut. Like this.